Hi students, welcome back to today's class. Now I am going to speak about self-regulation, that is session 4, goal setting. Okay, so goals and setting smart goals. The expansion for smart is there that we will see. Okay, so a man was traveling and stopped at an intersection. He asked an elderly man that where does this road take me? The elderly person asked, okay, where do you want to go? The man replied, I don't know. The elderly people said, then take any road. What difference does it make? How true is that? When we do not know where we want to go, where we are going, any road will take us there. Okay, so in life, we need to have a clear vision or clear goal of what we will do and where we want to go. Okay, so this dialogue, no conversation is saying about we need to have some kind of goal in order to reach that. Okay, in order to reach there. Okay, so goal setting is very essential factor in our personal life. The process of goal setting in our life helps us to decide on how to live our life. Okay, if we do not have a goal, simply we can roam here and there. Okay, where you want to be and how you want to be in the future. Okay, all these questions you need to know the answer. That is only goal. Okay, there are set goals means there are set of dreams with a deadline to get them. Okay, so goals means what? Set of dreams with a deadline. So we will be having some kind of timing. Okay, so within this year I need to complete this task. Okay, within this time I need to complete this assigned work. So like that you need to have set of dreams with a deadline to get them. For example, saving pocket money to buy a favorite mobile phone by a particular date. So you will be fixing some date in order to get the mobile phone by saving your packet money. Okay, so this is the kind of goal only. Then goal setting, it is all about finding and listing your goals and then planning on how to achieve them. That is only known as goal setting. Goal means what? Set of dreams with a deadline to get them. Goal setting means it is all about listing, finding and listing are all our goals and then planning how to achieve that. Okay, goals allow you to separate out what is important, what is not important. Okay, it helps you to focus on the end result instead of less important work. Okay, you'll be not giving time for dealing with the less important works. You'll be always focused to complete your achieve your goal only. This will make you successful in your career and also in your personal life, on your professional life, and also in your personal life it will be making you to successful. Okay, goal setting means we need to find out our goals and we need to list out all our goals and then we need to plan on how to achieve them. The planning method also we need to have. Okay, how to set the goals. Setting goals, we will see we can use smart method to set the goals. Smart means S means specific and measurable, then A means achievable, and then R means realistic, and then T means time bound. Okay, so the goal setting should be following these 5 factors. That is, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and then time bound. Okay, specific means what? A specific and clear goal answers 6 questions. Who is involved in the goal? What do I want to do? Where do I start? When do I start and finish? Which means do I use? Why am I doing this? For all these questions, if you get the answer, then your goal will be a specific and clear goal. Okay, so not specific goal means what? I would learn to speak English. I would learn to speak English. This is the example for not a specific goal. Specific goal means how it will be. I would learn to speak English fluently by joining coaching classes after my school every day, and in 6 months I will take part in the inter-school debate competition. So clearly the person is saying how fluently he want to talk and where he want to join the class and when he need to do all his coaching works and all, and in which within which period, that is deadline also he's fixing, and after that in which competition he want to go and participate. Okay, after getting fluency in English, which competition he want to participate. All these questions answers, no, we are getting it. So this is the kind of specific goal. Okay, and measurable means what? Measurable goal answers the questions how much, how many, and how do I know that I have achieved the results. And then not measurable goal example is I want to be rich. Simply, if you are saying I want to be rich without any plan, without setting any goal, without timeline, So like that it is mentioned. Okay, measurable goal means how it will be. I want to have 5 times more money than what I have today in my hand at the end of this year. So when I need to have this, how much amount I need to have this, how many, all those things I'm getting the answer in the measurable goal. Achievable goal. Okay. Breaking down big goals into a smaller parts will make the goal achievable. Okay. Bigger goal like what? I want to become a teacher in my school. So this is the bigger goal. So how we can break down into a smaller goals? For that you need to complete your higher secondary, and then you need to complete your graduation, and you need to complete your B.Ed, and you need to apply for jobs in the teaching field. So all these are smaller, breaking into a smaller goals. So by that you can achieve your goal. Okay, main goal. Realistic means what? Realistic goal would be something that we want to achieve and can work towards. Example of unrealistic goal. I will read my entire year's syllabus in one day and I will get good marks. If you say like this, that is not realistic one. Okay. Realistic goal means what? I spend 3 hours every day of the year after school to revise my subjects to get good marks in the exam. So daily if you spend 3 hours every day, and daily if you study with your syllabus contents, surely you'll be getting a good mark in the final exam. Okay, so this is the example for realistic goal. Okay, next is time bound. You need to set the timing. Okay, that is, a smart goal should have a time frame by when the goal need to be achieved. So if you consider all the above examples and all is giving some kind of timelines. Okay, deadlines are provided for every goal. Okay, so smart goal should have a time frame by when the goal needs to be achieved. This encourages us to take actions to completely fulfill the goals. So if it is not a time bound goal, so how the example will be? I want to lose I want to lose 10 kg someday. Okay, if you are saying like that, that is not a time bound goal. So time bound goal example will be how it will be like that. I want to lose 10 kg in the next 6 months. So in the next 6 months, you want to reduce your weight to 10 kg. So like that, if you are saying that is a time bound goal, you have assigned some kind of some duration, that is 6 months. Within 6 months you want to achieve that goal. Okay, so this example is for time bound goal. So we have seen small